Consider a small surface area of 1 mm square at the top of a mercury drop of radius 4 mm. Find the force exerted on this area first by the air above it. Right, now it is very clear that, let's say this is my drop. Fine, it is having the area of 1 mm square, or 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, and the radius is given as 4 mm, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Okay, now I had to calculate the pressure. Pressure is given by force upon area, and force is given by pressure into area. Right, so first of all I have to calculate by the air above it. So there will be an atmospheric pressure P0, that is given by 10 to the power 5 pascals. Area of cross area is given as 10 to the power minus 6, so it comes out to be 0.1 Newton. Fine. In second case, by the mercury below it, I had to calculate the force that is exerted by the complete mercury over here. So the pressure over here, that is inside, is given by P0 plus 2T by R, because this is the extra pressure due to the surface tension. So I can calculate the force P in into area. So P0 plus 2T by R into area. Substitute the value. P0 is 10 to the power 5 plus 2 times of surface tension, that is given as 0.465 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Area is 10 to the power minus 6. So it comes out to be 0.10023 Newton. Fine. And in third part I have to calculate by the mercury surface in contact with it. Right, so the mercury surface that is like this, which is in contact, will have the pressure of just 2T by R, that is nothing but the surface tension. So force in this case can be written as P into area. Here pressure will be 2T by R into area of cross section. Just substitute the value. Surface tension is 0.465 by radius, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, and area is given as 10 to the power minus 6. So it comes out to be 0.00023. That is the answer. And one thing you should note, that the pressure force outside plus force just at the surface, that is equal to the force inside.